Hi, in this tutorial we'll see how to make entries of cash payment. Option data entry, option daily entries, option cash payment. New button, date, voucher number, account cash comes automatically. Here we have to add accounts. Now if you see, cash payments are generally made against the daily expenses which we incur. So whenever we make a cash payment against the expenses, we can add those account. Say for example, common is diesel expenses, diesel petrol expenses. Now we can add, we have the choice of saving this per page, or if we want to add some more expenses on the same page, we can do the same. So in this example I will show you how to add some more examples. Second would be loading and unloading expenses, and any other expense like say electricity, if we have paid in cash, of course. Then maybe stationery or whatever expenses you all is incurred, that we can enter over here. Refreshment, tea, coffee, khana, whatever, and we say save. There's no need to print the document. However, if you need to obtain signature of someone, then in case you can generate or print a voucher on which you can obtain his signature and file it for your records. Now we will see the effect of the entries which we have made in the reports. Option reports, option group ledger. Since these are all expenses, we will go to indirect expenses. Select today's date, show report. So these are all the entries which we have made just now. 4,000 diesel, electricity, loading, unloading, refreshments, stationery. Now if we go and double click in any of these accounts, we will get that particular entry where we have, which we have entered. Now if we double click this particular, then we are back to that voucher or that page where we have entered all the expenses. This is the source form from where all these entries are arising. We close this, we go back to the ledger statement of diesel and petrol expenses. If we close this, then we go back to the group ledger of indirect expenses. Well, that's all, and that's all in this session of how to enter cash payment entries. Thanks for your time.